Hi, I'm Veguilla-Lezan. I'm a top teacher over on Skillshare, but you may have seen my work on my YouTube channel, The Creative Studio. I've been a freelance graphic designer, illustrator, and educator for the last 16 years. I'm based out of the Midwest, and I love helping others take their creativity to the next level. You can find my work over on bellasophiacreative.com, and I'm looking forward to creating with you all today. So digital planning and sticker design in general has continued to grow in popularity. From the hobbyist to the professional creative, making your own digital stickers has become a popular way to channel your creativity or turn it into a side hustle. One software that I am a huge supporter of and that I have found to be a great alternative to the traditional Adobe suites is Affinity. There are 3 professional apps in the suite: Designer, which is a vector program; Photo, which is raster-based; and Publisher, which is meant to be for layout design. I prefer Designer for sticker design because it allows you to simply and quickly create precise shapes, align and space items easily, add vector effects to the shapes, and export your images as slices to PNG files without a background. The beauty of the Affinity programs is that all 3 are both on the desktop and the iPad. With Canva's recent acquisition, I'm sure more and more people will want to learn about them. In this tutorial today, we will be working in Affinity Designer to create stickers. We will be working in the desktop version. These can be used as either digital stickers for use in digital planning, or you can export them as a transparent PNG for use in something like a sticker cutting machine like a Cricut. I'll walk you through the process of creating the stickers in the program while giving you a rundown of the basics of Designer. Then I'll show you a quick way to export your individual stickers for use. Let's get started.